To automatically silence all messages on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra while you are driving, you have to activate Do Not Disturb in the driving mode setting and then set it to silence all messages. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find mode and routine. Tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode section, tap driving. Tap stay focused. Under suggested action section, tap do not disturb. Tap calls and messages. Tap messages. And then make sure to set it to none. Tap the back key. Next, tap done button to save your selection. And then tap done button again to save the change. With this setting, your phone will automatically silence all messages when driving mode is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.